Hey, this is Dan, and I'm gonna do a bike check. Alright, my bike originally was a 2010 Diamondback option, and I have some custom parts on it, but I have the S&M Redneck XLT stem in red. I have Kink Badger handlebars. ODI long neck grips with animal metal bar ends. I've got a Kink stub seat post that I won when the Kink team went to local BMX in Burlington. I have the Shadow Conspiracy seat with the red stitching of the, I think it's a crow, I'm not sure. Then I have Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs. Sorry, I kind of forgot what they were called. They're really light, and they don't really give me much of a problem. But, yeah. My back wheel is just the stock one that came with it. Oh yeah, my pedals, they're fit, and a lot of people ask me if I got them off someone's stock bike, but I didn't. I bought them at a store. And my front wheel stock, I painted it, but it's been giving me some problems lately, but my cousin's dad's really good with bikes, and he helped me with it, and he got it fixed. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. My bike, it's pretty heavy. I think it's about 26 or 27 pounds. I can never be sure because my scale that I use is always being weird. So, I think it's around 26 or 27 pounds. And, yeah, I might be getting a new bike soon, so if I do, I'll do a new bike check. Alright.